Hi, I'm Brian Zucchi, Information Systems Manager for GR Spring and Stamping. We've been a craft customer for about 8 years now. They've really been beneficial to us in coming in and looking at our printing and copier needs, taking all our printers, combining everything into a maintenance contract, and really cutting our costs on our consumables for those printers and copiers. It's been a big benefit to our bottom line and help us at GR Spring and Stamping save a job or two as the recession went into play.